Welcome to today's video. So happy to have you here today with me as I will paint a little bird with some watercolors. First of all, apologies that the video quality is not top-notch this time. I was actually painting outdoors, which is something I enjoy doing, especially, of course, during summer months. And I just realized once the video was done and I was watching the recording that there was some issues with the camera focusing, so apologies for that, but still I think the video was nice enough and the outcome was so cute that I wanted to share it with you anyway. In this video I am painting on Fabriano watercolor paper. I believe this one has rough texture or rough finishing, which is something I enjoy using at times. Especially when painting birds, I think it brings certain something to the texture. And I'm also using a fairly new watercolor palette that I purchased last winter, especially kind of thinking of painting outside during summer when I don't want to take my large watercolor palette with me. So this is Rembrandt professional quality, and I believe this was called some sort of landscape set. I can check that out and put it in the description below if you're interested. But just a word of warning, I have changed one color, so the set you see here, the color selection you see here is not the original as such. I have added, I believe it was Payne's Gray Bluish, which is something I enjoy very much using whenever painting landscapes or actually any kind of botanicals or birds or any nature topics. I find Payne's Gray very, very useful, and Payne's Gray Bluish from Schminke is something I really enjoy using for this kind of painting. So I'm not sure which color I took out. I believe it might have been either some sort of red, orange or purple, but I'm not sure, but I have replaced one of the pans with Payne's Gray. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you in case you're interested knowing what colors I'm using here. You can see during this painting my signature style of mixing colors a lot. I love color mixing, and also I'm painting on layers, which is something that brings watercolors live. Actually, I at least I find it so that watercolors are the best when you are making very thin layers and let them, in this case I let them dry in between. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. And I hope you will also be inspired to paint some birds. As you've probably seen if you've been with me for a while on this channel, I really love birds as a topic for any kind of painting or drawing. And in general, I'm very interested in birds and find them very fascinating, especially during the early summer months when they are nesting and there are little baby birds coming out of the nests. And I think it's very, very much fun and interesting to follow. So I hope you've found some inspiration in this video, and I hope to see you next time in my next video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more art like this, and enjoy your day and your own art journey, and I will see you soon. Bye!